Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. As you all know, we are maintaining everyday streak. So today's question of the day is LeetCode Daily is question number 1262, greatest sum divisible by 3. So it is a easy question for me and for you also, because it is a very easy understanding question, because in this we are only given an array of numbers, and we are given an array of numbers and we have to return the maximum possible sum of elements in the array, maximum possible sum of elements of the array, such that it is divisible by 3. So basically, there are elements in the array, so we have to add it to the maximum possible size, but also that should be divisible by 3. So suppose the sum of all this array is 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 8 18, 18 plus 5 23. But since 23 is not divisible by 3, so we will pick something less than that, but that should be maximum possible value. So we pick numbers 3 6 1 and 8. We leave the 5 1, and their sum is 18, which is divisible by 3. Similarly, in this array 4, it cannot be divisible by 3, so the output is 0. So that's how this question is going to be. So the main theory behind this, main logic behind this is, we can run a program which adds the complete sum, okay, and then if sum and then we run the mod operation between the final sum and 3, and if it returns 0, then the sum is the final solution. If it returns 1, then we remove that one number. If it returns 2, the mod, then we will return the second number, we'll leave the second number. Basically, that's how it's gonna be. Okay, so let me type out the solution along with you guys. You can follow me. I will be doing in Java. So let me expand the window for you guys. Here it is. So first we will be using the this is basically a DP programming concept, so we will be using that itself. So like int nums int dp equals to new int 3, and then obviously semicolon. Now we will run a for loop now. So for final int sum, so it is basically a final variable which can't be changed. So final int num, which refers to the array nums that is already provided. We will be running a for loop inside it. For final int sum, for final int sum tp dot clone, now we will be running the dp function. dp sum plus num, so we will be adding them and finding the modulus, which will be mod of 3, and it will be equals to the math function math.max, maximum possible, basically math.max dp, and then sum plus num divisible by 3. Similarly, dp sum plus num modulus of 3, coming out of the bracket again sum plus num. Now we don't have to forget the semicolon. Now we will be returning the value of dp, our variable dp. So this is a very simple small solution where we are running two for loops to find the number of values and finding the mod of them to verify if they are completely divisible by 3. So let's run it and see. Okay, so our runtime is 0 millisecond. Now if we submit it, great. So we have completed the streak of the day. Decent runtime, decent time complexity. So here you guys can see the solution itself. I will zoom in and I will paste the link of the question in the description box. So let's see you guys tomorrow again. Thank you.